of time in our life, I guess, where we wanted the space that we live in, the kitchen was important to us, and we wanted that to reflect who we were and how we kind of wanted to live, I suppose, a little bit.
Yeah, and something that we were really proud of. Yeah. It had to be right for us.
Well, we use the space. Obviously, we cook and we do all kinds of stuff in here, but we work in here, we bring friends around here, we invite family in here, we have dinners, we have parties, we use the space outdoors and indoors.
I would say that we spend 90% of our living time in this house in the kitchen.
It was the recommendation of somebody to go and speak to Joe, and we reluctantly kind of, go on, maybe go and see them. And we turned up, to be fair, just to keep our friend quiet, expecting some kind of token thing. Challenged, deliberately went in there, a little bit challenging, and Joe won us over because she got us. She got what we wanted, and it wasn't just what we thought it was going to be. She helped to take it to another level. We're doing it a disservice without being melodramatic when we call it a kitchen, because I think when we talk about the kind of things Joe did, we had a utility room, we had a dining room, and we had a kitchen which we put together. Yeah. And I had a lot of concerns about the functionality of losing a dining room, the functionality of losing a utility room, particularly with a washing machine and various things in it. And Joe brought some real fresh thinking to that.
Joe seen what we were losing potentially and identified that and was able to develop it into something that functioned for us and functioned really well.
It's a lot more than just putting a kitchen together, it's about creating a space that you live in.
One of the things that became very evident was Joe would only allow things to happen in my house that she'd have allowed to happen in her house. And that went from all the people that she employed to be on site, the plumbers, the plasterers, the kitchen fitters, the electricians. They were only people who she would have trusted in her own house. And that made a huge difference to us. It really did. We felt that we were in safe hands. And I have to say that whenever Joe came around, there was a sense of relief. I really felt like I could relax because Joe was going to handle it for us. I would consider now Joe to be a friend. She's not somebody who worked with us. Joe is a friend, she's a good friend. I know it's dramatic to say it's changed our lives because it hasn't, but it's changed the way we live in this space.
Definitely.
Really has, and that's all down to Joe.
Yeah.